You think you know what OpenAI is up to? Think again. We're going to pull back the curtain and show you the real master plan behind this whole AI revolution.
Right now, everyone sees a viral chatbot, right? But that is so not the end game. So, what is this massive machine they are building piece by piece, right under our noses?
Okay, first things first, you gotta forget this idea that it's all about chatting. That whole interface thing, that was just the warm-up act, you know?
And no, it's not some sleepy academic research lab either. That old school model of having a separate R&D department, yeah, that's dead. What we're looking at here is something completely different.
And this is the key, the thing you have to understand. OpenAI isn't just a lab, and it's not just a product company. It's a single, vertically integrated machine. Think about that. A machine built from the ground up where every single part, the research, the giant data centers, the apps you use, it all serves one single purpose: building AGI.
So, how does this machine work? Well, it's basically a three-part engine. Part 1, create a personal AI for you. But to do that, you need Part 2, absolutely massive mega-scale infrastructure. And guess what that giant infrastructure is for? It's the fuel for Part 3, the actual AGI research. See how that works? Each part just feeds right into the next.
So all those crazy products you see blowing up online, they're not just products, not at all. They are very deliberate strategic moves on the road to AGI. Let's break down how this secret path actually works.
Okay, let's take Sora. What do you see? An incredible, almost magical video generator. But the real goal? It's way, way deeper than that. It's a world model. It's like a simulator to teach an AGI the laws of physics, how things move, how they interact. It's a critical piece of the AGI puzzle.
And this quote right here, it explains everything about their strategy. See, the thinking at OpenAI is that you can't just drop AGI on the world out of nowhere. Society would freak out. So instead, they release these tools, like ChatGPT, like Sora, to bring us all along for the journey. It lets us get used to it, to adapt step by step.
All right, so if AGI is the ultimate destination, how do we even know if we're getting closer? Forget the old tests. They're totally obsolete. There's a new benchmark, and it's so much bigger. Remember the Turing test? That old idea of an AI tricking you into thinking it's a person? Yeah, that's ancient history. It went whooshing right by us. We passed it, the internet had a meltdown for like 2 weeks, and then everyone just moved on. The goalposts have moved. The bar is way, way higher now.
So here's the new goal, an AI scientist. The real test of intelligence isn't about copying what humans can do, it's about doing what we can't. Imagine an AI making brand new scientific discoveries all on its own. Now that changes the world.
And get this isn't some far-off sci-fi dream. It is already happening, right now. We're seeing the very first sparks of this. AI's making new discoveries in math, helping out with physics, pushing biology forward, and this is just the beginning. That power is about to grow exponentially.
But here's the thing, this whole revolution, it doesn't just run on clever code, it runs on pure, raw power, an absolutely staggering amount of it. And what that means is that two of the most critical industries for the future of humanity, AI and energy, they're not separate anymore. They are crashing together.
To build these godlike models, we have to undertake the largest infrastructure project in human history. We're talking about data centers and power plants on a scale that is it's almost impossible to wrap your head around.
So how do we power it all? This chart lays out the roadmap. For now, in the short term, natural gas is going to be the bridge fuel. But the real future, the long game, that's going to be a mix of massive solar farms with battery storage and, the real game changer, next-gen nuclear. We're talking fusion power and those small modular reactors. Okay, so this isn't just about giant machines and energy grids. This wave is coming for our culture. It's about to completely rewrite the rules of everything, from how we create art to what ownership even means.
You know the whole copyright debate? It's doing a complete 180. The old fear from creators was, oh no, AI is going to steal my characters. But now, the new fear is, oh no, what if nobody uses my characters at all? The real threat is being forgotten, of becoming irrelevant in this new world.
So where does this all land? Well, the most likely outcome is this. We're probably going to decide that training these models on public data is just fair use. The new way to make money won't be about locking your stuff down. It'll be about getting a cut every time an AI uses your specific IP to create something new.
Okay,
But with all this incredible world-changing stuff happening, what's the real danger? What's the thing we should actually be worried about? I'll tell you this, it is not what you see in the movies.
Just think about it for a second. A future with intelligence far beyond our own. What is the #1 biggest threat we're up against?
It's not Skynet, it's not a rogue AI. The real danger is falling behind. It's geopolitical. The idea that one country or one group could get this technology while another doesn't, that is a far, far more terrifying scenario for the world than any Hollywood movie. Because in this race, being left behind means you become totally irrelevant.
And that leaves us with one final, massive question. In a world where this tech is moving forward at lightning speed, whether you like it or not, a world where standing still could be a disaster, maybe, just maybe, the biggest danger of all is being too slow.